Now we will learn about autocopy and autofill in Excel. What is autocopy? Autocopy means if we want to copy a particular text to another cell. Suppose we are writing a computer and if we want to copy here, autocopy features in Excel is here's the, it is called drag handle. This dot in the cell border in the below right corner we get a dot. This is called fill handle, and if we drag here we see that the cursor is changing. If we go to fill handle, we just drag this fill handle, we get another computer. If we drag this handle to very many cells, we get this computer in every cell. This is called autocopy. Here text is copied to more cells. This is called autocopy. Suppose here we will write application and deselect this cell, and here we get a fill handle. We drag this fill handle to various cells and we get many applications that is copied to very next cell of this cell, and this is called autocopy features of Excel. And another features is autofill. If we write some series type text, suppose if we write January, and if we autofill this and we get this series. This is also a features of Excel called autofill. And suppose we write here Sunday, and if we drag here, it's also a autofill features. This is called autofill. Suppose we write JAN. So if we drag this fill handle, we get this name of the month in series. This is called a autofill feature. The task is we just have to click on this fill handle. We just have to drag this fill handle. This dot is called fill handle. We just drag there. If we drag anywhere else except fill handle, suppose we drag here, there will no autofill occurs. To make this autofill, we just drag on the fill handle and drag here, and we get the autofill features. This is called autofill. Now let's learn about fill with series. So this is another style of autocopy and autofill features of Excel. Let's start. Suppose we want a series of January to December. So with fill with series, we just type January in A4 cell and drag the cells, selecting the cells from A4 to A17 suppose. Now we click on home ribbon, editing command group, and here we get a fill arrow. Click on fill arrow and click on series. Now just click on series type. It's not in row, it's with column. So click on the column radio button and type autofill radio button. Click on autofill radio button and click on OK, and here we get the series, all the series. That is called fill with series. Now another style, suppose if we want from 1 to 10 with fill with series. So click on here we click write A1 only on D4 column and click on and select these columns, select the cells, and in same manner home ribbon, editing command group, and click on fill arrow, click on series, and here we get series on column, type equal to linear, and type value step value, actually step value, if you must have to step value, and you have to write stop value on 10. We want a series of from 1 to 10, that's why step is 1, next is 2, so step is 1, and stop value as we want the series up to 10, so stop value would be 10, and click on OK, and here we get the series from 1 to 10 with fill with series features. In same way, if we want a even number series from 2 to 20, even number series, we wanted even number series from 2 to 20, so what we have to do, so in any cell just write down 2, the initial value, and select the cells, and go to home ribbon, editing command group, and fill arrow, click on series. Here the next is 4, so step will be 2, so write 2 here on step value, and stop value equal to 20, click on OK. Here we get the only even number series from 2 to 20. We can do it by row also. Suppose if we want a odd number series from 1 to 30, just click on 1 in one cell and select the row, and go to home ribbon, editing command group, fill arrow, and click on series. Here the series in row it's already selected, and type equal to linear, step value, if we want a odd number series, so step will be 2 and stop value will be 30, just click on OK, and we get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 29 up to 29. So this is fill with series.